Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings to everybody, guys. Let's take a look today at the Great British Pound because, well, it seems that in the short-term perspective it's more or less clear everything about the euro currency. So yesterday, recall what we said at this point. Following the market mechanics that show some specific price action, we have come to the conclusion that indeed market could show upward action up from here. Sometimes it happens that despite that we had the bearish grabber on the daily, but sometimes it happens that grabbers also could fail. And you can see market indeed has shown really very strong action up right from the level that we have specified as the ultimate bullish support. So this was the last area that we could accept the downward retracement. Below this area, overall context could turn to the bearish side. And here, market was able to hold and standing upward action. So currently, it's everything relatively clear on the euro currency. Now we're watching for upward continuation. Here, some retracements could happen due to some tactical targets that stems from the minor extensions on the intraday charts, mostly. But in general, market keeps this direction. It follows to the direction of the breakout of the flag, and we know that we have target on the daily charts around 115.50. Now we have the questions to the Great British Pound. On the cable, we have to again recall this picture that we have, and we deal with these pictures for a long time already. When the market drops right here, recall what we said. That is also very important point, because here's market has hit just minor 618 extension of the ABCD pattern. For this extension, retracement to the right of the 30% support, it is acceptable, but it is also ultimate retracement. Usually market either just gives no signs to the minor target and just pass through it, or it could show some minor pullback, mostly on some level from the CD leg. That's the common price action, but here we've got a bit different action. Market has shown significant retracement right to the major 30%. It's a bit deep, and we said, well, that will be crucial support because this is also confidence. So if market on a reaction after the just minor target breaks the confidence daily support, that means something. It means that market is in reality it's not as bullish as it seems on the first glance. And whether we would like or not, but it has to hold above this area to keep the bullish context. If it will fail, it means that the ABCD pattern probably will fail and shape of the price here could change. But as you can see, cable has found some power and ability to hold above this area and turn up. What does it mean? It means that on this way up, we should not get any deep pullback, because major pullback already is done. We've got first major pullback after initial thrust. This is BC leg, the contraction mode. This is extension. Here we got again major pullback reaction on the minor target. Now we need another extension to the next major target, which stands on 32.70. It means that on this way up, we should not get too deep retracements. Market just has to continue upward action. Well, at least till the previous top. So here is we should get some continuation here. On the 4-hour time frame chart, trend has turned bullish on the daily. That's good. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we should recall the hand shoulders pattern. When we talked about the retracement here, if you remember the first recovery, we said take a look, here could be the hand shoulders. And the market has shown, well, not bad performance, because take a look on the right arm of this pattern has become smaller. So it has become faster upside reversal. Market moved above the monthly pivot point. It's also good, above weekly pivot point, and I would say that here market has weekly pivot resistance one. It also has been exceeded, which means that we stand really in some bullish trend. This is not just a retracement on some bearish action. This is starting of the new upward action. This is good sign. With these head and shoulders, or let's call it as head and shoulders, we have this A, B, C bottom extension. Take a look. The nearest target will be 27.09. It's approximately 27.10, and also it is accompanied with the monthly pivot resistance one. So that's the nearest destination for the cable. 618 level has been broken here. It's also a good sign. So market is coming here. It means that on the way up, we should not get too significant retracement. So if you are considering taking the long position, do not point for entry very deep levels. So you could, of course, build levels right from this low to this top. It will stand 30%, somewhere around 25. But in the current situation, well, no real chances that market will reach it. Only if the bullish context already will be broken. On the way up, market showing small retracements. So I'll take a look. Sometimes it takes the ABCD type of action. So you should use it as, well, approximation of the possible retracement that you could get. This upward action for entry, if you're planning to take the long position, keep an eye on just on the two nearest levels. This will be either 26 or 25.60, 25.65, if it will be a case of the ABCD retracement. But in the current point, hardly we will get the ABCD, because this ABCD was due weekly pivot resistance one, and also that was XOP from this ABC bottom. This was OP, and here's the XOP. And that's why retracement has become deeper. That's also the resistance, if you can see on the 4 time frame chart right here. But now all these levels are broken. Market goes up, so that's why the here's could be just minor pullbacks. So let's keep watching what will happen on the cable. Currently, context stands bullish, but we need to control overall price behavior. As I said, we should not get deep retracements, at least till this top and breaking of this top on this way up, because we stand in extension mode. Take a look on this extension mode. You do not have any retracements. Very small retracements in the beginning here, and here the same. On this extension mode, also do not have significant retracement. Here was just 30% of the frosting action. That's why something of that sort we should get here as well. Till this top, we should not get any pullbacks. And that's particular next short-term target that we have on the intraday chart. So then we will see what will happen. Theoretically, if market indeed turning up, and this is indeed an extension mode, it has to broken this top and then starts action to the 32.73 OP target. That's how we on the cable. If this will not happen, market starts again coiling around the previous top, turning down. Well, that's will be something different. We do not know what particular it will be, but this is not the type of action that cable should show if it indeed stands bullish. Well, now let's keep watching on this upward action. So still significant room to the target, approximately 200 pips. So it's a good potential. It's worth it of our attention.